Hello, today I will be showcasing my LR or dual spin DB core that I made. And thank you to Furio Flames for test printing, taking pictures of the core, as well as filming the test launch. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. So over here we have the dual spin core fully assembled with the guilty blade in left spin mode. On the picture on the right, the dual spin DB core is in right spin. I will be leaving a download link in the description below for the dual spin DB chip, and note that the spring core from Random Booster Volume 29 was disassembled and used, and only the top part of the core is designed and printed. You can build off of that template and use it on a dual spin core made by Takara Tomy, and I hope you enjoyed the test launch.